I wanted to go over why and kind of show you why Distrokid is the best. I know I just kind of just said it is, and you should believe me and take my word for it because I'm a genius. And I do a lot of hard work to figure it out, but I'll kind of show you the other competitors that are in the mix here. So Ditto, CD Baby, and TuneCore. We'll check out the other competitors and you can let me know what you think. So if you're on a complete budget, totally budget, can't stand to spend more than, I don't know, 99 cents, then go with Ditto, or just a couple extra bucks, you know what I mean? Just like, go with Ditto. They're also awesome. There's nothing ultimately wrong with them. Here is what their website looks like. Here's how to find them. This is also linked in with that help guide too. And here's their pricing. So unlimited distribution for one artist is what you get for that for $19 for the year. And it includes all of what the extra features are that are for Distrokid, but for free. So you'll be able to get the YouTube, you'll be able to get all of the little extras and see what's going on. So what's included? Sale boosting tools, 100% of your royalties. Damn right. Copyright protected, get playlisted. That's kind of cool. I don't know if that's like an automatic playlist or if there needs to be assumptions with that. I'm interested in that. 24/7 artist support. The big deal with these guys is that you're like, well, if it's cheaper, Hope, and I get everything, why wouldn't I just go with these guys? Their support is known to be wonky. Not that great. And you guys can do your own research on this situation. But it's just not, their past track record as a company hasn't been quite as on par as Distrokid. So if that's important to you, over saving money, just a couple of bucks. If the brand recognition and the support and just knowing if something does go wrong, I'm not saying like anything really will, it's really rare, but when something does go wrong, you want to know that you're 100% taken care of. Distrokid seems to be the winner. Ditto, that's these guys. They're cheaper, but you're running a little bit of a risk. And so they do have unlimited distribution for 2 artists and then the label, but we're just kind of going for like, what's going to get the souped up solo artist entrepreneur plan. So Ditto's $19. $19. CD Baby, these are the OGs. These guys have been around forever and ever. Personally, not into it at all. Really expensive. And it's just really like, this is like knowing your release plan of how you're doing it is going to be absolutely crucial. If you're not releasing very often, like at all, like once a year, go for it. Release a single, standard single. If you just want to do the digital distribution aspect of it, make money from YouTube Content ID, right? They give you that. That's cool. Get your music on Facebook and Instagram stories. Ooh, I don't even know what that means. I don't even know. Sync licensing for TV and film games. That's cool. Publishing royalty collection, right? Direct song registration with global royalty collection. So you're missing out on all of this stuff, right? And they also don't sign you up for a performing rights organization. You can choose, it's either BMI or ASCAP or BMI. And it's just, it all does the same thing. It's your performing rights. Look into all those. I'll do a video on them, maybe to kind of go through the differences. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. BMI is free. Instant verification for Spotify for artists, same stuff. Apple Music for artists, access to our artist support team. Cool. So that's just one single, right? Say if you're coming out with one track, that's a great deal. That's cool. That's awesome. But the pro single, which is going to get you hooked up with everything and it's going to get you publishing and have everything good for that too. Still, if you're just doing one track a year, that's great. Great deal. You want to do more than one song for the year though? That's where stuff is going to start to get really expensive. Super crazy expensive because these are just one-offs, right? So if you're releasing an album, the standard album without all of like, the publishing and anything added to it is $29. All right, cool. But if you want to have that involved every single time, it's going to be $69. That's crazy. It's crazy expensive. You know, you can kind of see where the value comes in if you're a musician who's going to be releasing a lot. So that's CD Baby. CD Baby for you. TuneCore, the other players in this mix. And again, everything I'm like going over right now has links to these exact pricing pages and to that download guide that I'll have for you guys. So you'll be able to kind of just like go through it and then click exactly to get to where I am right now. Album is $29.99, and then for the first year, and then $49.99 following that year. So we can already see how it's kind of expensive. You know, you have a single, it's $9.99 per single. It's ridiculous. You put out more than 4 tracks, it doesn't make any sense. Ringtone, I don't know what the hell that is. Somebody can tell me what that is, whatever. I don't know. So the clear winner in my book is Distrokid. But, you know, it's up to you guys. And then you can do a one-time publishing fee. That's fine. That's cool that they have that. One-time fee of YouTube. I don't know what TuneCore Social is. Maybe that puts you on a playlist or something. But looks like it works off kind of like a weird credit system too. So waiting to finish your coming album? Look to save with bulk distribution. Consider purchasing distribution credits. Save money by buying multiple credits at once. And they never expire, so they'll always be available when you're ready to distribute your next release. So anyways, I don't know. I don't want to deal with all that mess. So who really cares? I mean, look at how much that jumps up. You know, if you put out, like, screw that. Doesn't make any sense. Just go with these guys. Why? Because you can trust them. If you're saving money, go with Ditto. Become the Karen that I know you can be, and really, really terrorize that support to get yours. Because we all just got to get ours. All got to get ours in this world. So that's that. But I hope this helped out a bunch. You guys keep creating and keep staying awesome out there, all right?